Okay, guys, so now I want to show you guys how to add indicators to your MetaTrader 4 and get your chart set up so that your chart looks exactly like mine. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you all my screen so that you guys are able to see everything for yourselves. What you'll want to do is you'll want to go ahead and go to your chart screen. You'll want to tap on the screen on your chart screen. Just tap on that really quickly like that. And once you tap on it, I want you guys to go to settings. When you guys get to settings, please make sure that the candlesticks is check marked. Make sure volumes is off. Make sure ask price line is on. Make sure period separators is off. Make sure trade levels is on. Make sure these two are off. Go to colors. Color scheme. Foreground, white. Grid, black. Now, some people like to do the opposite and they like to have this to be black and their grid to be white and their chart to look like this. I can't do that. Or they'll even have it to be like this. Tap settings where the grid is also black and their chart looks like this, which is really, 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 really clear. But then you can't see those numbers on the side. Now the numbers do highlight once you do this. So it just depends on what is personally good for you. Okay. But if you want those numbers to show up visibly, you'll want to make sure that when you tap on the screen and you go to your settings, you'll want to make sure under colors that the foreground is a color that you can clearly see. So now everybody can see the foreground. Okay. Now, once you tap on your screen, go back to the settings, go back to colors where we were. Okay. This call will be very quick because I didn't realize I had a call set up after this. So I want to go ahead and show you all what these colors should be, okay? So for bar up, your price is going in the up direction. Some people like to see that that's green. When price is going in the down direction, some people like to see it that's red. Bull candle, green. Bear candle, red. Line chart. Don't really even know what the line chart is needed. Volumes. I personally don't like to see my charts look like this because this will confuse me. So when I do mines, I have to just do one color because I can't have the green and the yellow and the green and that. I can't do all of that. So personally, I tap on my screen, I go to settings. You can set it up to however you personally like. I personally like mine to be pink and white. This is how I like mine to look so that it's clear for me. Okay. That's how I like mine. Now, what I want you to do, and these numbers over here that I'm clicking on, those are the time frames. 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute. Each time frame will look a little bit different, okay? So this is how I personally like mine to look. Now, what I want you to do is to tap on your screen, go to indicators, go to main window, scroll down to oscillators, go to MACD, And I want you guys to add 12. Technically, this is a 26, but I like to use the 15. But 12, 26, that's like the standard setting. 9. And for levels, I want you guys to click add level. And I want you guys to add a 0 line and put the level to be 0. Make the style to be white and the pixels to be 2. Now you have your MACD down there. To change the colors of the MACD, just go back to the indicators, click on that MACD, and you can make these colors to be whatever colors you want them to be. And the pixels, this just makes it a stronger um, view of it. Screenshot that, that's my settings. Now I'm gonna add one indicator and then I'll show you the settings for all the other indicators because you add them all the same way. Go to main window, go to trend, add a moving average. We're gonna add the period to be 3, the method to be simple, and the style to be blue or turquoise. I made it 2 pixels so I can actually see it. Save, then done. That's how I add the moving averages. You're gonna add, I think it's 5 moving averages, okay guys? So when you tap on that screen, go to indicators, we're gonna add the 4 simple purple, the 50 exponential orange, the 200 smooth yellow, the 2 simple blue, and like I said, the 3 turquoise, simple. I like to use these when I'm trading German 30 especially. You'll learn how to use them in the training that was recorded. But as you can see, those moving averages are now there. So make sure you screenshot that. That's how you set up a chart. Watch this video over and over. If it doesn't make sense, it's really simple. But you'll add all of those simple. You'll just keep on tapping on the screen, keep on going to indicators, keep on going to main window, keep on going to moving average, and just keep on adjusting and adding those 5 different moving averages if you want. Okay, that's that. That's how we set up the chart, or that's how I personally set up my chart.